Got friends and family debt? You're not the only one. Stats say that friends and family debt is almost $200 billion outstanding, which means that you probably have someone who owes you money. Now, we all hate to hear those dreadful words. Hey, can you lend me some money? And it's usually followed up by a sentence that we are all too familiar with. I'll pay you back next week. Even worse is if you are the one borrowing the money. Now the thing is, whether you are a lender or a borrower, for whatever reason, things never go as planned, leaving rifts in these relationships. That's where we come in. Introducing ZayPay, a payment facilitation platform for friends and family. And it's so simple to use. All you have to do is to initiate the request. Enter the amount you want to borrow or fund, set the terms, pick the payback date, and then select who from your contacts you want to send it to. Once the request is accepted, the money is taken from the lender's debit card on file and transferred to the borrower's ZayPay app account. Upon acceptance, the borrower's bank account is then authorized for the agreed-upon amount to be deducted on the paycheck date. No more awkward conversations about borrowing money or getting your money back. Just ZayPay the request, and the rest will take care of itself. There's a new way to friendly lending, and it's through ZayPay. Download the app today.